Hi guys, and welcome to this new Palestinian Arabic course with me, MAHA. Today I'm going to teach you how to say I know and I don't know in Palestinian Arabic. Let's begin. By the way, this lesson is going to be an introduction of the whole verb system in Palestinian Arabic, and you will see it recurring and being repeated in most of the verbs and the whole verb system is explained in this lesson. It's very easy. So usually we start with the letter ba when we talk about present tense things, or when we use the present tense verb in Palestinian Arabic, we usually start with the letter ba. Any verb in the present tense in Arabic in Palestinian dialect starts with ba. If I want to say I know, we say ba'rif. Ba'rif. The verb to know is arifa. So I know, present tense verb, ba'rif. So ba'rif, it means I know. Ana ba'rif. You can combine also the pronoun. Ana, I, ba'rif. But already without ana, from ba'rif, you understand who is speaking, who is talking, from the conjugation. Of course, I'm not going to teach you all the conjugation of the present tense verb in Palestinian Arabic today, but I'm going to teach you small things added to the sentence I know and I don't know. Okay? So you will know the pattern and not the whole conjugation. So, ba'rif, ana ba'rif, I know. I don't know. In Palestinian Arabic, we have two ways. You can say ana ma, adding ma, which is very similar to, it means no. It negates verbs. It's very similar to the ma. It's actually the same particles, the same ma that we use in the standard Arabic. For example, in standard Arabic we can say akaltu, I ate. Ma akaltu, I didn't eat. So this ma inserted to the verb, it makes the negative. That was, now you heard me, that was past tense. Ma akaltu, I didn't eat. And that was standard Arabic. Now we're talking about dialect, Palestinian dialect. In Palestinian dialect, this ma comes and it negates a present tense verb because we're saying I don't know, not I didn't know. Okay, so this ma is used here as a negative for the present tense. Ba'rif, I know. Adding the ma to ma ba'rif, it makes it I don't know, but it's not enough because in the Palestinian dialect we usually, to negate verbs, we add the ish to the ending. That's why you hear a lot of sh. In Palestinian Arabic, ma ba'rifsh. Okay? Ma ba'rif, you add the ish at the ending. This ish is a symbol of the negation of the verb ba'rif. Ba'rif, ba'rifsh. Actually, in the Palestinian dialect that I speak, which is the urban Palestinian dialect, we don't use the ma anymore. We don't need this participle to negate anything because we understand that the verb ba'rif is not ba'rif from the ish at the ending. So it's enough to say ba'rifsh. Ba'rifsh. It means I don't know. Okay? بعرفش. When راحت أختك? Where did your sister go? بعرفش. بعرفش. Some people might say بعرفش. Fish, you move the F into A before adding the ish. It's also okay. It's also a very much used one. بعرفش or بعرفش. It means I don't know. Again, I know. All verbs in the present tense begin with ba. So عرف, to know, it becomes بعرف. أنا بعرف. أنا بعرف, I don't know, أنا بعرفش, or أنا ما بعرفش. You can even combine it as one word. ما بعرفش, just like ma, making it a little bit shorter. ما بعرفش. ما بعرفش is more used in the rural or the فلاحي Palestinian dialect. Anyways, it differs from city or village. Usually, it's the ish that makes me understand that the verb is in a negation. بعرفش. بعرفش. I'm gonna give you another example, but it's not for this lesson, just to give you an idea. I love, we say بحب. أنا بحب. I don't love, بحبش. بحبش. أنا بحبش الملوخية. I don't like ملوخية, but أنا بحب ملوخية كتير. I love ملوخية. But بحبش. بعرف, I know, بعرفش. I don't know. Alright? So, I know أنا بعرف, I don't know أنا بعرفش. And the next time I'm going to teach you, I will try to teach you like a whole full conjugation list and like a conjugation lesson, how to conjugate in present tense and past tense. But this was like a vocabulary lesson with which I inserted some grammar to prepare you for what's coming next. Okay? So I know in Palestinian Arabic أنا بعرف. I don't know in Palestinian Arabic أنا ما بعرفش or أنا بعرفش. Alright, if you like this lesson, please subscribe to my channel. This is my daughter trying to open the door, not succeeding, because I like that. Try to follow me on Instagram at MAHA Yacoub, and to like my Facebook page, Learn Arabic with MAHA, one word. I will see you in a following Palestinian dialect course with me, MAHA. مع السلامة.